This video was created to explain the course registration process at Parkway North High School for the 2018-19 school year. When you received the link for the course guide, you should have also received a list of courses that were pre-recommended for you, as well as an official course request sheet. Current 9th, 10th, and 11th graders will receive a copy of their unofficial transcript on Friday, January 12th. Under the Additional Information tab of the online course guide, there is information regarding the registration process. This handout shows the timeline for the course registration process. Please pay special attention to the deadline for entering all of your course requests. You may want to attend curriculum night, which is a chance for you and your parents to talk with teachers and ask questions about classes. The bottom of this page has a checklist separated by roles for the course registration process. If you follow this list, you will not miss any important steps. The graduation requirement worksheet is also located under the Additional Information section. Students must earn credits in communication arts, math, science, social studies, practical arts, and fine arts, as well as health, physical education, and personal finance. The chart is an easy way to keep track of your credits to make sure that you've taken everything you need for graduation. Use the unofficial copy of your transcripts to help complete the graduation requirement sheet. If you need help completing your graduation requirement sheet, please ask your teacher or counselor. Current 8th grade students will not be able to complete this step, but they need to learn how to plan for meeting all the graduation requirements in the next 4 years. The 4-year plan is also located under the Additional Information section. This can help you decide which courses you need to take in order to best prepare you for your future. We are required to keep a copy of your 4-year plan in the guidance office, and your counselor will work with you to get this completed. Colleges and universities have different admission requirements, and these requirements are usually different than the graduation requirements for the state of Missouri. This handout provides some basic information about admission requirements. We recommend that you talk to your counselor and make sure that the courses that you are selecting will line up with your long-term goals. This handout contains information about Missouri's A+ program. North High students who meet A+ eligibility requirements can attend a Missouri Public Community College or vocational or technical school tuition-free. Many other colleges and universities also offer money to A+ students. This is a great opportunity. If you would like additional information about the A+ program, please visit North High's website. These required courses contain the classes that were recommended by North High teachers. These are required classes, and you cannot change these course requests in Infinite Campus unless you have permission from your counselor or administrator. Transfer the recommended courses onto the course request worksheet and select other classes you wish to take on each of the lines of the worksheet. You'll be asked to select at least 4 extra courses that can be used as alternates if your other requests cannot be placed into your schedule. Once you have determined your final list of class selections, complete the official course request worksheet. You will need to enter your course selection information into Infinite Campus using the registration portal. If you're uncertain how to use Infinite Campus for a course registration, Parkway North's website includes a video that will demonstrate how to use the portal. Both you and your parents need to sign the official course request worksheet and return it to your academic lab or homeroom teacher. Friday, January 19th is the deadline for returning this completed sheet to your teacher. They'll make sure that the form is delivered to the appropriate office at North High. Your course request will determine which classes are offered next school year. Students who have not submitted their official course request sheet by the deadline may have their classes selected for them by their counselor. Next school year, if there's a problem or conflict in your schedule, you'll have a 1-week window during which to make changes. Any changes made will be based upon the alternate request you have listed in Infinite Campus, so it is important that you select alternate courses that you like. Thank you in advance for completing the course selection in a thoughtful manner. If you need any help, please see your teacher, counselor, or grade level principal. And remember, it's a great day to be a Viking.